Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jen from camgush.com and welcome to Essential Grammar in Use book by Raymond Murphy. Today we will continue our discussion on Unit 33. We are here on the last part. We will discuss the words must and have to. Must and have to. Now students, you can use must or have to when you say what you think is necessary, when you give your opinion. Again, you can use these words, must or have to, when you say what you think is necessary, when you give your opinion. So again, we use these words to say that we think that our opinion is important or necessary. Let's have some examples. It's a fantastic film. You must see it. It's a fantastic film. You have to see it. So as you can see, we can use both those words. We are saying, in our opinion, that the said film is fantastic or very good, and we are recommending it to someone. We are saying that they must see or they have to see it. It's important that they see it so that they will also realize or they will also know that the film is fantastic. Now, when you are not giving your personal opinion, use have to, not must. Again, when you are not giving your personal opinion, use have to, not must. So remember, when we are not giving our personal opinion, just use have to, not must. Let's have some examples and compare. Jane won't be at work this afternoon. She has to go to the doctor. Again, Jane won't be at work this afternoon. She has to go to the doctor. So here, this is not a personal opinion. It is a fact. So Jane will not go to work because she has to go to the doctor. That's not an opinion. It's a real information. It's a fact. How about the next sentence? Jane isn't well. She doesn't want to go to the doctor, but I told her she must go. Jane isn't well. She doesn't want to go to the doctor, but I told her she must go. This time, this sentence is a personal opinion. So, students, you can see the difference. When it is a fact, we have to say have to or has to. And then, if it's our personal opinion, we can use or we should use the word must. So, I think that's very easy to understand. Now let's have a review. Students, you have to remember, I have to. When we use these words, for example, I have to do something, that means it is necessary for me to do it. I am obliged to do it. Okay? It's very important, or something is very important for you to do. Remember this old man? He said, this is my medicine. I have to take it 3 times a day. So, I have to take it. He has to take it 3 times a day. That means it is very important, necessary, and he is obliged to take the medicine 3 times a day, even though he doesn't want to. Now, here are some important information on using these words. Now, if we will use it in the present tense, we have to use have to and has to. Have to for plural form and has to for singular form. And then, for the past tense, we have to use had to. Now, for question sentences, we have to use the words do, does, and did. For present tense of question sentences, we use do. For plural, form of the subject and then have to. Does for singular, then have to. For the past tense, we have to use did and with the same pattern. And then for negative sentences, of course, our subjects should be the first word in the sentence, followed by don't or doesn't. Do not for plural and does not for singular. Now, for the past tense of negative sentence, subject and then did not and then have to. Okay? Now, students, I want you to review this lesson and remember all the important information on Unit 33. They are very useful and you can use them when you are talking to people, especially with foreigners. Now, I would also like to encourage you to enroll in Camglish.com's classes because we can definitely help you improve your English skills. Now, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from Camglish.com saying goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye!